let me show you something. Follow me. Right, grade 12, we're going to be talking about patterns. We're going to be looking at quadratic number patterns, which is a revision from grade 11. Now, the quadratic number patterns have got a Tn equals to an squared plus bn plus c. It's a quadratic from the parabola point of view. So if I talk about Tn, I'm talking about the term, right? So that is the first thing. And then if I talk about, let's say n denote the term number or position of a term. So n is term number, position of a term, right? So if I say T1, it means this one is what? Term 1. Now if I say T2, I'm referring to term number 2. So that's what we are saying in this particular case. Now, if I say T1, in this case, it means I must say what in this case? If I put 1 where there is n, it means that I must put 1 here, squared plus b into 1 plus c. So when we do our calculations in this case, we're going to get what? T1b equals what? This one becomes a plus, this one becomes b, and then this one is what? Is c. So it means term number 1 is what? It's actually a plus b plus c in that case, right? So let's go to term number 2. Term number 2 is what? Now in this case, I'm going to have a into 2. Where I see n, I put 2. So squared plus b into 2 plus c, which is the same as what? Here is 4a plus, this one becomes 2b plus what? C. So that is what? That is term number 2 in that particular case, right? Now, I've got term number 3, which is the same as a into 3. Where I see n, I put 3 squared plus b 3 here plus c. So this one is the same as, this one becomes 9. 9 multiplied by a is what? Is 9a. Then 3 multiplied by b is 3b. Then this one becomes what? C. So this is term number 1, 2, 3, right? Now, let's combine the things now. I've got term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. I can continue to term number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? And then in this case, I said this is a plus b plus c, right? So this one becomes 4a, which is this one, right? Which is plus 2b plus c. And then term number 3 is 9a plus 3b plus c. Now I'm going to now find the difference. So if I find the difference in this case, I'm going to say this one, T2 minus T1. So 4a plus 2b plus c minus a plus b plus c. So 4a minus a becomes what? 3a. Then 2b minus b becomes what? B. C minus c is 0. So I'll leave it in that particular case. So 9a minus 4a becomes 5a plus 3b minus 2b becomes b. C minus c is 0. So I'll continue again to say, in this case, I've got what? 3a plus b. So this is now, is the first difference, where I'm going to say 5a minus 3a becomes 2a. B minus b is what? Is 0. So this is what I'm getting. So this is what? This is the second difference. Now, so this is the second difference. So now let's explore a bit on this particular example to say, if you have got something like this, let's say example, the question says determine the nth term. And then we have got, let's say you have got 6, then you have got let's say you have got 2, 6, you've got maybe 14, then you've got maybe let's say 26, something like that. So the same thing, I want the nth term. This is term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. So T2 minus T1. 6 minus 2 becomes what? 4. 14 minus 6, you get 8. 26 minus 14, we get 12. Right? So this is the first difference. So the first difference is what we've been doing here. Now I need to continue to say 8 minus 4, I'm getting 4. 12 minus 8, I'm getting what? 4. So this is what I'm having in this particular case, right? Now let me continue to say, meaning this form is the same as 2a. So I'm going to say 2a is the same as what? 4. Then I divide by 2 both sides. I'm getting a as what? As 2. Because of 2a is the same as whatever that is in here. Right? Remember this was also a quadratic. Let's continue to go to the next one now. If I say 3a plus b, right, this one, it must be the same as what? 3a plus b must be the same as this one, the number that is in here, which is what? Which is now 4 in our case. Now 3a, remember 3a is what? Is 2. So I'm going to put 2 here plus b is the same as what? 4. So this one becomes 6 plus b, which is the same as 4. Now I'm transposing b, that's at 6, that's at 4, subtract 6. I'm getting what? Negative 2. Right? Let's continue. We go up now to say, so this is a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. This is term number 1. What is term number 1 here? Is what? Is 2. So this must be the same as what? 2. So what is the value of a? Is 2 here. So I'm going to say 2 plus. What is the value of b? Is negative what? 2 plus c, which is the same as what? 2 in that case. So this one becomes 2 minus what? 2. Meaning plus c is the same as what? 2. So this one I get 0. So this is c. And then I'm getting what? 2 in that case. Right? So therefore, the nth term becomes a. Remember we said it's an plus bn plus c. So meaning this is tn is equals to what? What is the value of a? Is 2. So it's 2. Remember this is squared. 2n squared plus, now it's negative because of b is a negative number. 2n plus what? Now I'm getting what? 2 in this particular case. So this is how you find the nth term of the quadratic. Thank you very much.